Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get iron ore in Windrose. Now there are some prerequisites that you're going to have to do before you can even get some iron ore. For example, you have to finish the quest line called Revenge is Best Served Cold, where you have to fight the final boss of the first area called Richards. Over on the discovery right here, you can see a local threat right around here to the top. And this one here is Thomas Richards that I mentioned. Once you beat in Thomas Richards in the main story, you should be able to unlock the foothills right here. And in here, you will also find some new discoveries, especially new material, and one of those is iron ore. I'm currently on the map right now. This is one of the key areas that the main mission is leading me towards. And the iron ore is right around where I'm standing right now. Now make sure to have a copper pickaxe with you for you to be able to mine the iron ore. And as you can see right there, I made a key discovery of iron ore. Now there are also some instances in the island where you can find an iron deposit right here where I am currently at. It is pretty much a small ravine from the ground. As you can see right there, that's pretty much the ground level. Right over down there should be some iron deposits and a few others right here for you to mine. And that's pretty much about it on how to find iron ore in Windrose.